Now I guide you to notice 3 things you can hear. Notice first one thing you can hear. Perhaps it's the sound of the fan or the air vent or the humming of your computer. Breathing in, breathing out. And as you allow yourself to focus on a second thing you can hear, notice its tone. Notice if it vibrates through your body. Notice if you're hearing with your ears only or your whole self. What do we mean by high pitch and low pitch? Or maybe it's complex and it's music playing somewhere distant in the background. Breathing in, breathing out. And now a third thing you can hear. You might allow your hearing to go even further, maybe to the next room. Maybe you can hear people talking or laughing, or cars passing by on the street, or the flutter of the wings of a bird that just went by your window. Breathing in and out. And notice what an amazing thing it is, this sense of hearing, and how it's something you do with your ears, but also your whole body. And for those of you who might have different ways of hearing, how you experience sound, vibration, tone, breathing in and out.